how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I got a plain Walmart garland here and I'm gonna decorate a fireplace. I thought I'm gonna take you along and see what we come up with. If you like the result, please press thumbs up. Consider subscribing, that way we're gonna be in touch and you become my bestie. Let's get started. Also, stay tuned through the end of the video because I got a package. And if you are wondering about the adorable skinny tree on the side, I decorated it last year. I've placed the link for you in the description box. My sister wrapped it with a saran wrap, started in the basement, took it out, just like new this year and so much less work. So today we are just gonna make a coordinating garland. So you wanna get the garland matching pine as on your tree. My sister also got 2 large cowbells. They're made in India, only $6 a piece. Real metal, how amazing, great value. Also, we're gonna use a matching garland, any ornaments, ribbons, any other cute accessories, Dollar Tree or whatever you have at home. Since the bells are real heavy, my sister just using the push pins on both sides. You can also use command hooks, but they don't always hold up, unfortunately. We are going to hang these on both sides of her fireplace. You can also put your garland on a dresser or entry table. And then we are going to put the garland right there on the shelf. Just even out both ends. Next, we are going to add the ball garland. You can always mix your garlands together, make it more fun. Oh, so much flacking, so my sister vacuuming as we go. Add any accessories that you might already have. A nativity scene is always a must-have in our home. Reason for the season, right? This pretty church picture is from Kirkland's, if you're wondering. I love the lights, so we need to add some lights to the garland as well. My sister has some battery-operated fairy lights, so we're just gonna intertwine it. I think we should add some bows at the top of the bell. We have coordinating ribbon like on the Christmas tree, so we're just gonna make a very simple bow. Cut a fishtail, measure 6 inches, pinch, measure 12 inches, pinch, fold together, that's a 6-inch loop. And let's do one more. Something like this, right? Let's tie it together in the center with a pipe cleaner or floral wire. And we can make one tail longer, let's say 12 inches. If you like to add another ribbon pattern, you can just cut about 24 inches strip. Cut the fishtails on both ends. And what you could do is just measure like a 6-inch loop, pinch, and attach to the top of your bow. Fluff it up and attach to the top of your bell. You can even use the garden stakes from the Dollar Tree. Simply attach it to your garland, twist tie it with the pine tips, and it's gonna stand. Some of these trees come with the stands, others are like garden stakes. Whatever you find, you can make it work. We repeated same bow on the other side. And in order to add some of that color, the ribbon pattern, to your garland, you are going to cut small fishtails and just insert them into your garland. You can tie them down with some floral wire. There is some sparkle on that little house, so I feel like we need to add some sparkly ornaments. And I think we are done. Take a closer look. I hope you like it and we inspired you to decorate your own. And we just got a letter.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter.
Wow, look at these velvet pumpkins. Such gorgeous colors. Where did you find all this, Linda? Even coordinating pig, lights, and oh wow, look at this gorgeous sign. Wow, even coordinating ribbons. How perfect. I have everything here to make a beautiful wreath. Thank you so much, Linda. That is so thoughtful. And there's a little note. I am so happy to hear that your son got you an iPhone so you can watch my videos now at night when you can't sleep. I am so sorry about the loss of your husband and your friends. I'm glad you go out for socials. You know what? I'm always here for you. And you are so right. Sometimes we don't realize how much we touch other people. So, yes, I'm very grateful for your friendship. I love all my besties and I will continue sharing the videos even though I don't think much of them. I know other people need me. Love you guys. Bye bye.